So yeah, I just wanted to show off this service called gaff.io. I did not make this myself. I came across it back in 2020, and it was open source and privacy respecting. And I thought, well, this is like an Evites type of service. It's respecting of privacy. It's pretty well designed, and I should federate it. So I did that in a pull request back in January of 2020. I just want to point out to the technical folks in here that you can find projects that already exist and then federate them. That is what I did here via pull request. So if I'm on gaff.io, I'm going to actually run this from events.friend.camp. Friend.camp is my hometown server, which is the fork of Mastodon I maintain. And I maintain this service specifically for people who have friend.camp accounts can create their own events, but on gaff.io, it's anyone can make an event. So anyhow, that's a little bit of an aside. I'm going to create an event here. I use this thing to do my birthday party every year. So I'll put birthday party in here, location, Fediforum. I'll give it a start and an end. Give it a description with maybe a little markdown. Hello, this is the Fediforum test event. I could put a link there. I'll add a cover image that says Fediforum test. I can put my host name here. My email if I want. I won't for this, but it's for editing at a later date. And I'm going to mark users can post comments on this event, and users can mark themselves as attending this event. I'm creating the event now. And here's the event. What I can do here is it's created this unique user at events.friend.camp. And I can go to my Fediverse server here. And there it is, birthday party, events.friend.camp. And here's the location and the time and all that stuff. So if I follow it, what happens is in my notifications, I get a DM from the event. It says, will you attend birthday party? If you press yes, you'll be listed as an attendee on the event page. Okay, yes. Thanks for RSVPing. You can remove yourself by clicking here. If I go back over to the event and reload the page, I can scroll down and I can see, hey, here's test RSVP'd. That's cool. I can also go here and reply to the event and say, hey, what time is the event? And hit post. It does a few things. The account itself boosts that. So anyone who's following it on the Fediverse will see the question or could see the question. And if I go back here to the birthday party page and reload, it does appear here. The admin also finds out about it. As the admin or anyone else, really, I can respond and say 2 p.m. and reply. It does not DM the reply directly to the person here, but if they're following the event here, it will, it appears as something in the feed. So anyway, that's all I wanted to demo here. Just kind of showing that you can take an existing piece of software that's already user friendly and then kind of add some federation to it. Like I said, I use this to run events all the time. Like it's just an Evite type thing, and it's I guess like I have people attending these events who have never heard of the Fediverse or even Mastodon or anything like that. They just sign up through the site. I handle it all by email, and it just works like any other website for them. The Fediverse part is invisible to them, but it's there as a nice to have additional thing. And that's my 5 minutes. So I'll stop there and I'll answer the questions in the chat.
Thanks, Darius. You showed several things that are unusual here. I did not think that it would be viable in practice that somebody could take somebody else's software and just add federation to it. Now, here's an entire new avenue of innovation that is possible, right? And then the other interesting thing here is that it piggybacks events on a channel, in case of Mastodon, that doesn't actually understand events in a very interesting way. So there's with this integration of both the public posting and the direct messages, it was rather interesting. So thank you very much for your demo. And we are moving